Peter, look at this. Look at my coffee. It is on the floor. My day is bad. My life is bad. I want to go home and sleep.
Oh no, Nicol. Your coffee is on the floor. That is sad. But your day is not bad. Your life is not bad. It is just a little coffee. You can get a new coffee. Welcome to Peter's English Lab, my friend. Let us talk about your mind today.
My mind? My mind is angry, Peter. I lost my drink. Now I have no energy. I cannot smile today. I want to be sad.
You choose to be sad, Nicol. That is the problem. You can change your mind. When you change your mind, you change your day. You can even change your life. It is true.
No, that is not true. The coffee is on the floor. That is a fact. I cannot change the past, Peter. How can a new mind help me now?
The coffee is on the floor, yes. But you have two choices now. Choice 1. You can be angry all day. Choice 2. You can smile and buy a tea. The tea is good too. The first choice makes a bad day. The second choice makes a good day.
A tea? I do not want tea, Peter. I want coffee. But okay, I understand. You mean I choose my feelings?
Yes, exactly. You choose your feelings. Your thoughts make your feelings. If you think bad thoughts, you feel bad. If you think good thoughts, you feel good. It is simple.
It is not simple, Peter. It is very hard. When bad things happen, I feel bad. I am a human, not a robot.
Of course, you are a human. I am a human too. But we can practice. We can train our brains. It is like exercise for the body. You go to the gym for your legs. You use your mind for your life.
Okay, how do I train my brain? Do I run with my head? That sounds funny.
No, you do not run with your head. You change your words. Do not say, I cannot do this. Say, I can learn this. Do not say, this day is terrible. Say, this day has a small problem, but I am okay.
I can try. Today is not terrible. Today has a coffee problem. Is that right, Peter?
That is perfect, Nicol. See? You are doing it now. You change your words, and your face changes too. You are not crying now. You are talking to me.
Wow, you are right. I am not angry now. But what about big problems? A coffee is small. What about a bad job? What about no money?
Big problems are hard, yes, but the rule is the same. If you think, I have no money and I am a failure, you stay sad. You do not look for a solution. You just sit and worry.
And if I change my mindset about money, what do I say then?
You say, I do not have much money now, but I can find a new job. I can learn a new skill. I can save $3 today. You look for the small good things. You look for actions.
Actions. Yes, I like that. But sometimes I feel tired. I try to change my job, but nobody calls me. Then my mind says, you're not good enough, Nicole. Give up.
That is the negative voice. Everyone has that voice. I have it too. When I started Peter's English Lab, I was afraid. I thought, nobody wants to listen to me. I am not interesting.
Really? You thought that? But you are very confident now. You help many people.
I practice every day, Nicol. I tell that negative voice to be quiet. I say, thank you for your opinion, but I'm going to try anyway. Failure is not bad. Failure is just a lesson.
Failure is a lesson? I hate lessons, Peter. School was difficult for me.
A life lesson is different. It means you try, you make a mistake, and you learn. Next time, you do better. If you never fail, you never grow. A child falls many times before they walk.
That is true. Babies fall a lot. They do not sit on the floor and cry forever. They stand up again. They want to walk.
Exactly. Babies have a great mindset. They do not think, "Oh no, I fell down. I am a bad baby. I will never walk." They just try again. We need to be like babies.
I do not want to wear a diaper, Peter, but I can try to stand up again.
No diapers, please. Just the baby mindset. It is called a growth mindset. It means you believe you can grow and change. The opposite is a fixed mindset.
A fixed mindset? What is that? Like a broken car that is fixed?
No, fixed means it does not move. It stays the same. A person with a fixed mindset thinks, "I am bad at math, so I will always be bad at math. I can never change."
Oh, I know people like that. My cousin says she cannot cook. She never tries because she thinks her food is always bad. Is that a fixed mindset?
Yes, that is a perfect example. Your cousin thinks her cooking skill cannot change. But if she changes her mind, she can buy a cookbook. She can practice. She can become a good cook.
I will tell her that. She makes terrible pasta now because she does not care. If she changes her mind, maybe I get a good dinner.
See, your new mindset can help your cousin too. It changes everything around you. When you are positive, people like to be near you. They feel good too.
That is a good point. When I am angry about my coffee, I am not nice to you. I am sorry, Peter.
It is okay, Nicol. I forgive you. I know you love coffee, but I love you more than coffee. I want you to be happy.
Thank you, Peter. You are a good friend. So, what is step 1 for a new mindset today?
Step 1 is gratitude. Say 3 things you are happy for right now. Small things or big things.
Okay, 3 things. 1, the weather is sunny today. 2, I have a good friend named Peter. 3, I have money to buy a new coffee.
Look at that. That is beautiful. You have 3 amazing things in your life right now. How do you feel?
I feel warmer inside. I feel a little happy. My head feels light, not heavy.
That is the power of gratitude. It changes your brain focus. You stop looking at the spilled coffee on the floor. You look at the sun, your friend, and your wallet.
It is like magic, Peter. But is it permanent? Do I stay happy forever now?
No, it is not magic, and it is not permanent. You must do it every day. Every morning when you wake up, you choose your mindset. You say, "Today is going to be an interesting day."
What if I wake up and it is raining and I am tired?
Then you say, "Today is a rainy day, so I can wear my favorite jacket. And I am tired, so I will have an extra large coffee." You find the good thing in the bad situation.
You always have an answer, Peter. It is annoying, but helpful.
I try my best. Life is short, Nicol. We do not have time to be angry about coffee or rain. We must enjoy the journey.
The journey. That sounds like a long walk. I prefer a car.
It is a metaphor, Nicol. The journey means your life from start to finish. Every day is a small step on the road. You want the road to be beautiful, right?
Yes, I want a beautiful road with flowers and no spilled coffee.
Then plant the flowers in your mind. Think about good things. Work hard. Be nice to people. When you change your mind, your whole world changes.
Okay, Peter, I am ready. I'm going to buy a new coffee now, and I will smile at the barista.
That is the spirit. Go get your coffee and remember your growth mindset.
I will. If I drop the new coffee, I will not cry. I will just buy a third coffee.
Well, maybe look where you are walking too. Mindset is good, but looking at the floor is also useful.
Right. I will look at the floor. Thank you, Peter. Have a great day.
You too, Nicol. Enjoy your day and your new mind.